Snow Canyon State Park features a variety of adventurous trails such as Pioneer Names, Tortoise Walk, and Lava Tubes, and one of Greater Zion's most iconic trails, Scout Cave. The trailhead is about a 20-minute drive from St. George. Make sure to park in the Johnson Canyon Trail parking lot. Use your state park pass or pay the daily fee at the south entrance. The trailhead will be across the street from the lot. This moderately difficult trail is roughly 3.5 miles round trip and typically takes 1.5 to 2 hours to complete. Plenty of water, a good pair of hiking shoes, and sunscreen is a must because there is little to no shade. The start of the trail is relatively flat, but be ready for lots of sand. There will be a stretch of high sun exposure. Early in the hike, you will reach a fork in the trail. Keep right to stay on the Scout Cave Trail. Be sure to follow the signs. Be prepared for the trail to get rocky and watch your step. Once you reach the steep, rocky part of the trail, about halfway in you'll notice the beauty this trail has to offer. The lava rocks on this portion of this trail are part of the Santa Clara Flow, which are up to 3 million years old. Once you are down the lava rocks, you will have reached the wash. The wash is full of the gorgeous Fremont cottonwood trees and desert Indian paintbrush flowers. The desert Indian paintbrush flower was used by Native Americans to enhance the immune system. Because of the elevation, vegetation, and terrain, there is a diverse mix of wildlife inhabiting this area. You will exit the wash by climbing up this steep staircase leading you to the cave. Once you have reached the top of the stairs, follow the signs all the way to the cave. Enjoy a break and enjoy the scenery Scout Cave has to offer.